This is my extension activity for Clorinda. First, I'm going to start by defining what dance is to give my students a baseline of what they will be learning and to hook them into the subject and just dance in general. For the activity, I am going to show my students a dance to give them some ideas for the activity that I'm going to be instructing them to do. So first, I'm going to break the students into groups of 4, and then I'm going to have the groups create a dance of their own based on the movements in the video to give them ideas. When each group is finished, I'm going to have them share it with the class. Lastly, I'm going to have the students discuss and reflect what the most interesting thing or takeaway they learn from this extension activity, and this can be adjusted and accommodated based on your students' needs and or disabilities.